had the opportunity today to work with Orec's tracked Cyclone Flail Mower. It's an impressive machine. We've used others in the past, and it's just not comparable to what the Cyclone can perform. I really liked how it didn't bog down on you when you got into the thicker brush. It'd tear right through it like nothing. Where your other machines you're having to back up 4 or 5 times to get through one pass, where this is just very impressive. This has been about 5 years since this has been maintained, and we got the call to come in and try and knock it down for them, so we figured we'd give Orec a chance to show what they can do. So we've tried to bring other machines in the past, and that's kind of the reason why it hasn't been maintained, is because everything wants to slip into the water, where with the Orec, it just, like I said before, it just glides right on by. Maneuverability was very impressive. You could get right down next to the water's edge and then bring it right back up out if you had to. Turns nice and sharp. Doesn't really cut up the grass when you turn. Mulch is really impressive. You don't have a big mess everywhere. It outperformed the others we've used by a lot, just in the performance of the maneuverability and being able to get into tight corners and up next close to things. Before, we would use a weed whip, and it would take us a couple days to get it done, to where now we're getting jobs done in a half a day, if that.